Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we will going to study about non-conventional manufacturing process, and today's topic will be electrical discharge machining. And don't forget to subscribe this channel, guys. Okay, not wasting any time, I am going for today's topic here. And the today's topic is non-traditional manufacturing process. This is the head of the here. Non-traditional and non-conventional both are same here because same here. And today I will tell you about what do you mean by non-traditional manufacturing process. This manufacturing process is that which removes the which that removes excess material of various techniques involving mechanical, terminal, electrical or chemical energy or combination of these energies, but do not use a sharp cutting tool as it needs to be used for traditional manufacturing process. In this non-traditional manufacturing is saying that we are not going to start about the sharp cutting tools with the need for use of non-traditional manufacturing process. This is known as the non-traditional manufacturers. And in simple way we can say that non-traditional machining is that which removes the excess of material by various techniques involving mechanical, thermal, electrical or chemical energy is known as non-traditional manufacturing process. After that, moving for the today's topic here, electrical discharge machining process. Okay guys, so what do you mean by electrical discharge machining is that electrical discharge machining is one of the most widely used non-traditional manufacturing process, guys. In non-traditional manufacturing it is the most widely used machining process, guys, this EDM. And the main attraction of EDM over traditional machining process such as metal cutting using different tools and grinding is this technique utilizes thermoelectric process to erode and design materials from the work piece by a series of discrete electrical sparks between the workpiece and the electrode. In this the EDM process, what is they saying that in the EDM process the cutting tools, in the different cutting tools we can cut easily with the help of the EDM. Okay guys, this is known as the electrical discharge machining process. Okay guys, I will tell here that this one is the workpiece here. This is the workpiece here, and this one is the EDM machine here, guys. You are watching here that this one is the workpiece, and this one is cutting tool here. From here we can cut here. Okay, guys. Moving for the next here, that here I will tell you. In this the process is saying that the traditional machining process rely on harder tool or abrasive material to remove the softer materials, whereas non-traditional machining process such as EDM uses electrical spark or thermal energy to erode unwanted material in order to create desired shape. So the hardness of the material is no longer a dominating factor of EDM process. A systematic of an idiomatic process is shown in the figure where the tool and the workpiece are immersed in the dielectric fluid. In this the saying is that this is the systematic figure of a EDM process, guys. So you can see here the one pump reservoir also is given here, and this one is the pump here, guys. Okay, so you can see here the workpiece is kept here. This one is the workpiece here, guys. This green part is workpiece here, and this one is dielectric fluid here, and this one is the tool holder and feed mechanism. Tool holder means the from where we keep the tool hold, that is known as tool holder and feed mechanism. This one where we can apply the tool, this one is the tool part here, and this one is the cathode here, and this is DC motor, DC supply, DC power supply here, and this is the anode part, and this is the cathode part here. So this one we can say that systematic diagram of EDM process, guys. Okay, after that I will tell, just wait here, how to erase this one. After that only it's going to EDM removes material by discharging an electrical current normally stored in capacitor bank across a small gap between the tool workpiece, typically in the order of 50 volt per 10 ampere per second. In this the saying is that the EDM which removes the electrical current that is kept in the capacitor bank, okay, and in this the electrical gap also is there, okay. In this small gap also is there, this one is a small gap here, between this the cathode and the near the workpiece anode also is there, okay. This one is anode part also is there. The typical order of 50 volt per 10 ampere per second. Okay guys, after that I will tell here the application of EDM, where the means of the uses of the EDM here I will tell here, guys. Okay, this is widely used in the automobile industry for drilling small holes in fuel injection nozzle. Okay guys, see, in many automobile industry we were seeing that then the drilling of small holes in fuel injection nozzle, you were seeing that very important for drilling small holes, okay, where in that process we can use there, and also we used for a resharpening of cutting tools, means sharpening of cutting tools means resharpening means you were seen on the nut bolt area where you can, this is the nut bolt, okay. I will tell here with the, I can't tell here, just wait. After that, used for producing internal threads, means to make internal threads in the nut bolt areas, and wherever it is using in the internal threads we can use the EDM. With the help of EDM we can easily internal threads, we can do easily produce the internal threads. Okay guys, after that we will be going for the advantages of EDM. What are the advantages are there, we will discuss about that. And the first advantage is no direct contact between tool and workpiece, therefore weak material can be machined. In this the saying is that the tool and the workpiece, therefore material can be machined, means the tool and the workpiece cannot be get contact with each other, okay. From that it may be we can get disadvantage, but in this the saying is that there is no direct contact, okay, in the workpiece and the tool area. After that, complicated shapes can be machined. In this saying that complicated shapes and machines, we can drill anywhere in the complicated areas where we can drill very easily, okay guys. After that, fine holes can be easily drilled. Means fine means very simple holes can also be drilled very easily, okay guys. After that, any hard material can be easily removed, means in this saying that any hard material can be easily removed from the EDM process, okay guys. After that we will be going for the limitations of electric discharge machining process. So first will be our only electrical conductive material can be machined. Means English saying that the limitation is disadvantages, guys. Uh, in electrical conductivity material can be machined means means when there is no electricity, then the machine cannot be run. Okay guys, that is the biggest disadvantages of this EDM process. Sharp corners are difficult to produce. Means uh, in the sharp areas we cannot produce to sharp. Okay guys, and high power require for marching. Means biggest disadvantage is that we can use very high power for marching this EDM process. Okay guys, after that that tool life also is low. Okay, after that I will be going for the question here. In electric discharge machining, if thermal conductivity of tool is high and the specific heat of work piece is low, then the tool wear rate and material remove rate are expected to be respectively. And what will be answer here? And the point is high and low, high and low. Option D is low and high. This question is asked in the GATE exam, guys. GATE exam, okay. And the very simple question is asked in the I think so this question is asked in the GATE 2007 in ME exam, mechanical engineering. Okay guys, the point number A will be our right answer here, guys. Okay, in the mechanism of material removed in the EDM process, in the simple way we can define it that the melting and evaporation will take place in the material removal in the EDM process. Okay guys, this question also is asked in the GATE exam. Okay guys, and the next question is, as tool and work are not in contact in EDM process, then what will happen? Because I have discussed in the advantage period. Okay guys, the means what it will take in the EDM process, the point will be our option D will be our right answer, because the no force between tool and work occurs. Okay guys, option D will be our right answer here. This question also is asked in the GATE exam. This is very simple answer here, guys. Okay, now moving for the and thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much, students. If you like my video, please share with your friends and subscribe it for more knowledgeable, and you can also take bell ring so that you can watch it my next video very easily with the bell icon. Okay guys, thank you so much. We will meet you on next video lecture series. After that we will continue it again.